Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see the jQuery effects like hide and show. jQuery provides many effects like hide, show, slide up, slide down, toggle, animation, and many others. Syntax for hide: selector dot name of effect hide, and then inside parentheses you can write speed in milliseconds or like fast or slow, and then you can write callback function. Same way with show, you can pass speed and callback function inside parentheses. This is the optional speed parameter which specifies the speed of the hiding and showing and can take the following values: slow, fast, or values in milliseconds. The callback function is also optional. Let's see the example for this hide and show. Here, this is the example for hide. We are using class selector here. So whenever we click on this button hide me, at that time this whole division will be disappear, and we are using fast inside parentheses. Let's see the output. I am going to click on this hide me button. Okay, it's hidden. Let's change here slow, refresh, and press the button. Now let's add the time in millisecond. So it's 4 seconds. Save the program, refresh the browser, click on the button. Okay, let's see the callback function. Changing time and the callback function. Write function alert. This is callback function. Okay, so after this hidden effect, then this callback function will be executed. Let's see the output. Refresh browser. Okay, it's done, and here it is, the callback function. Okay, and now let's see the I am adding it show button here. So here I have added show effect. Whenever I will click on this show button, at that time this division will reappear. Let's see the output. Refresh the browser. First, but I made a mistake here. Control X. Okay, I have to write this show button outside this division tag. Refresh the browser. Okay, division is hidden. Now let's check this show button. So it's reappear. Okay, so this is the example for hide and show.